What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the ALLAS True Wireless Earbuds. These ones come from Trend Labs or TRND Labs. Now these are IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof. Now they're not technically waterproof, they're water resistant, so don't plan on going like full-blown scuba diving with them. These also have Bluetooth 5.0, which will give you about 10 meters of distance or 33 feet. Now they're saying right here it's 15 hours of playtime. On their website, they're showing that the earbuds themselves are 50 milliamp hour batteries in the earbuds and 650 milliamp hours in the case. Now they're saying that the earbuds get you about 3 hours of use out of it, and then the case gets you an additional 13 hours, but then they're also saying that it's only 15 hours. So that's really 16, so I don't know. Between 15 and 16 total hours. With that said, the earbuds take about an hour and a half to charge. Also, the case takes about an hour and a half to charge. They're saying that it has deep bass, and I'm quoting, greatest sound ever. My neck just popped. I hope it picked that up because it just went crack. So I don't know about that. We'll find out. They are saying that they're extremely comfortable, so comfortable that you probably forget you're even wearing them, and they're the perfect gym buddy. Now, each earbud only weighs about 5 grams, so they're supposed to be super light. So we got a user guide, an accessory box, ooh, nice, and a nice little capsule. In the accessory box, we've got a thank you card, a free 1-year warranty activation code. Whoa. Whoop. Uh-oh. I just lost one. 2 extra ear cups and 2 ear fitters. And then you have about a 1.5 long USB to micro USB cable. The actual case is kind of interesting. I haven't seen one shaped quite like this yet. The bottom is hard plastic, the top is rubber. You get this little rubber flap, and that's for the micro USB port for charging the case. Ooh, those are nice. You got a little battery button with the indicator lights on it. It's very discreet looking. I like that. I'm digging that teardrop shape, but it's very, you know, looking at it like this, it almost looks a little big, but you move it to the side and, you know, from the side profile, it's pretty thin. Right here, you've got your connection point for the charging. Oh, so that's just a cover for the top. Look at that, it just comes right off. Single press is play and pause, double press is redial. You can pick up and end the call with a single press, and then you can power it off for 3 seconds. It's a nice comfortable fit, a lot more discreet than what I thought they were gonna be. Oh yeah, very nice. Passed, they didn't move at all. Yeah, I'm digging that, and they look good too. Cool, it says that it was on, and then and now it's in pairing mode. Okay, cool. So they connected. It said left channel, right channel, so you know that they're connected together. These are completely cutting out. They sound great. I mean, really good audio. I'm really impressed. I honestly didn't think they were gonna sound that good, but oh boy, is there a serious connection issue. These two are not staying connected at all from the very second I hit play. Considering that they're Bluetooth 5.0, you would think that at least them staying connected together would not be an issue. Okay. Audio sounds great. Let's try bass. Wow. Really good bass, really good bass. I'm not gonna lie, for true wireless earbuds, the sound quality seems to be immaculate, but they just won't stay connected. Oh, all right, let's just keep going. Let's try clarity. All right, let's try shampoo pickle. Wow, very good immersive sound quality. Absolutely zero connection. Disconnected, disconnected, complete, oh, connected, disconnected. Connected, oh, we're gone. All right, let's go ahead and make a phone call. I'm gonna continue to humor them. Hello? Hey, can you hear me okay? I sound really good? Okay, so that's good, that's a good plus. You know, I hate to sound so disappointed, but man, I am really disappointed. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. I guess. Immediately, disconnecting. All right, I'm gonna go walk. I'm gonna see how long it takes. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I didn't even go anywhere. Oh, okay. I didn't. So there's pros and there's cons. I'll start with the pros. It sounds really good. I'm actually very impressed at the range of audio quality that these things have. The highs, mids, and lows are fantastic. You know, for true wireless earbuds, very impressed with these. These exceeded my expectations, so I'm gonna give highs, mids, and lows, I'm gonna give them all an 8. They sound great. They really do. They sound really, really good. They're comfortable. They're very lightweight. They even pass the sake test. My only real con here is the connection. For somebody that's claiming that this is Bluetooth 5.0, there's some explaining to do. First of all, they don't stay connected to each other at all. At all, not even a little bit. And then when I did the distance check, I got about 5 feet and lost all signal completely. These things are listed as $100. $100. I will say, if they fix the connection issue on these, absolutely they're worth $100. With that kind of sound quality coming out of them, absolutely. But with this kind of connection issue, $100, I would be furious if I bought these. Yeah, I got nothing else to say. That's it. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below if you wanna look at it. I don't suggest it, but either way, I'm gonna leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.